So what exactly is breathwork? Breathwork is a simple yet profound practice that supports us in the emotional, physical, mental, and spiritual components of our life. From alkalizing the body to relaxing the nervous system, the breath is able to come in and free trapped emotions, expose limited thought patterns or beliefs, and essentially come in and support a person wherever they are needing specific help in their lives. So on top of this, the breathwork activates your energy. And when your energy is activated and you're able to feel the energy of your spirit moving through you, this is a really special experience. And this is when things really start to change for you. Clarity of purpose comes in and you start to realize that you do have a place in this world and you do matter. Happiness tends to be a side effect of this, along with a new spark of life. You know, if you are tired of life being just a day-to-day struggle to get by, I invite you to come explore the breath and really see what else life has to hold for you.